Twinkly Squares Starter Kit, app-controlled LED panels with 64 RGB, 16 million colors, pixels. Black. 1 master tile plus 5 extension tiles. Indoor smart home lighting decoration. About this item. Free the artist in you with sleek, smart LED wall panels, Twinkly Squares, and explore virtually unlimited ways to transform your space with pixel art, GIFs, widgets, colors, and animations. Enjoy setup in a matter of seconds via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Manage your lights with the free Twinkly app, iOS and Android. Group multiple devices, set automated playlists, switch your lights on and off, apply timers, dim them and adjust their brightness, and much more. Unleash your creativity with endless preset effects and animations. Create your own personalized ones using the FX wizard on the Twinkly app, or virtually draw effects on your lights with your finger. Use your imagination and any shade, gradient, hue or tint of 16 million colors to create the ultimate decorative lighting. Add just the right accent and mood lighting to your indoor spaces. Create LED walls to display stunning pixel art, artwork and GIFs, and take your gaming to the next level with immersive and reactive lighting. Watch your lights dance to Twinkly music, sold separately, a smart USB-powered sound sensor that interprets ambient music and sounds in your space and applies synchronized colors and effects to your lights. Enjoy voice activation via Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit voice assistants, compatibility with the Homey app, and integration with Razer Chroma RGB and Omen Light Studio for the ultimate gaming experience.